Hey, quick question. Have you ever heard that cancer is all about bad genes? Yeah, that's what most of us grew up hearing. But here's the thing. Even after billions of dollars spent on research and new treatments, cancer rates, they're still going up. That's scary, right? Here's what blew my mind. Some scientists now say cancer might not start with broken genes at all. Instead, it could be a metabolic problem, kind of like your body's energy system going haywire. See, our cells have these little power plants called mitochondria. When they stop working right, cells switch to an old backup fuel system, burning sugar and glutamine, and that's when cancer can grow like crazy. But here's the cool part. Healthy cells can run on ketones instead of sugar. And cancer cells, they're terrible at using ketones. So by fasting or using a ketogenic approach, you might be able to starve cancer while keeping your healthy cells strong. That's a total game changer, right? If you want more surprising health info like this, hit subscribe, because we're just getting started.